Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to set up Google AdSense on your website. So basically, if you don't have a website, you can create a site here on squarespace.com. You can tap on get started and create your own site. But if you have a site already, then you can tap on login. And if you also have a site on WordPress, or if you prefer WordPress, you can also use your WordPress or add WordPress on your Google AdSense. So as you can see, it's the same thing. If you don't have an account, tap on get started. If you do have, then tap on login. So these are the ways and how to create your account on WordPress rather. And then in Squarespace, you also have your ways here on how to create an account. So as you can see, if you don't have an account yet, tap on get started. You will have your options for your site. What's your site about? You have your option right here. What do you want to do with your website? Just click, tap on next, and then you can tap on choose a website, choose a template, or build a website. So for me, I prefer choose a template because I am a beginner, and there will be tons of templates right here that you can choose. So all you have to do is to click and then add information and get started. So once you're done, then all you have to do is to publish your website. So start with creating a design. Okay, so you can choose your fonts, colors, and so on. So you have your options here, how to create your account. So for me, it's the easiest is to connect it with my Google account. Now, once done, then you can go back to Squarespace, and then you need to publish your website first to get the URL or copy the link that you will paste on your Google AdSense. So basically, if you have your website, then you can go to Google AdSense. Okay. So, anyways, if you want to also create your WordPress, and then you just have to follow instructions. So here you just have to go to AdSense at google.com/start/ and then tap on get started. Click this one right here, connect your Google account, and then here, once you have published your website, just copy and then paste it right here. Okay, so for example, let's just say this is my website, so I need to copy this one and then go back to AdSense and then paste the site. Okay, click copy this one right here and then go to AdSense and then paste it right here. Okay, so just proceed. You just have to basically answer some questions. So I'm just going to paste it right here. This is what it looks like. Or you can also say, I don't have a site yet, if you don't have a site yet. Okay, just follow this, click. Okay, your payment country territory, you can change this one right here and then agree with your terms and conditions. And then after that, tap on start using AdSense. So you just have to wait for a couple of seconds and it will take you directly to this area. Okay, so let's get you started. Tell us about you. You have to enter information right here, explore, and then let's go. And then you have to add your site if you haven't add your site yet. So now there's also easiest or easier way on how to connect your Google AdSense to your website. If you're using a WordPress or if you have your account on WordPress, all you have to do is go to plugins, tap this one, and then here if you have upgraded your plan, then you can search for Sitekit. Okay, you have to press enter and then you should see this Sitekit. So is a one-stop solution for WordPress users to use everything Google has to offer. So click this one right here. And then what you're going to do is you just have to simply follow all the instructions. So as you can see, I'm using the free version. So if you want to upgrade your plan, you just have to click upgrade and activate. So here you will see everything like the AdSense, the analytics. So basically all you have to do is to just connect or link your Sitekit or link your site to your Google AdSense. So if you're not using that one, then you can proceed with this, entering your information, explore, and then let's go. That means you have to connect your site right here. So once connected, all you have to do is tap on the save option. Now, once you have set up everything here, then what you're going to do is you have to tap this, see how ads look on your site. So tap on the explore, but of course you need to add your website first. So now I have added my website. Now what I'm going to do here is tap on Explore Ads. So here inside the Explore Ads, you can now add whatever you want to advertise here. So what you're going to do is you have to simply edit. So basically you can edit whatever you want to add here. And then as you can see, there's also a contact or B. Now here's the thing, all you have to do is tap on or turn this one on if you want to automatically show ads across your site in all the best places. But if you don't want to show your ads on your website in all places, then basically you can turn that one off. So if you turn that one on, then you can manually do whatever you want here. So as you can see, for example, this is your ads. This is what it looks like. You can also see it through desktop view. Okay, so suppose that this is your website, and then they can see the ads here once they visit your website. So basically that's it. So all you have to do is to create your ads right here, and once you're done is tap on apply to site. You will see that ads, or people can see that ads right away when they visit your website. It could be on your WordPress or Squarespace, depends on your website. And basically that's it. So thank you for watching, and see you again in our next video tutorials.